She makes me.
Y'all sing it out there? Y'all sing it?
She makes my heart sad.
Y'all sing it?
And when I'm feeling low, she comes as no surprise. Turns me on with her love. Takes me to paradise. Do you love me, Mary Jane? Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Do you? Now do you think you love me, Mary Jane? Don't you play no game? Yeah.
That's on that Test Hoop USB collection y'all been seeing on Instagram. My whole career's on that shit, man. It's a light investment.
I love her, baby.
We got 15 mixtapes. Every remix I've ever done, man, my whole career's on that. Let me tell you a quick story.
I'm in love with Mary Jane.
Yo, yo.
That's right. That's right.
Hold on, y'all niggas, man. Y'all niggas is on it. They hold.
Can we
Yo,
Junkies remix, please?
You want see now I gotta stay. I'm willing to stay for a little.
Yo.
See, I usually say I'll take. Hold on.
They don't know what's going on.
Let me take care of these dudes real quick. Hold on.
You gotta let them hear this.
Can I take it? Hold on. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, we drove like 2.5 hours, so I might as well get some shit off. Hold on 1 second.
They're not gonna understand it till you drop that.
By the way, the name of it is, I call it Lottie Body.
Yeah.
So, alright, fuck it.
I think I'm a little something like this.
Mel Star might have played this. Have you ever heard this joint ever? Me. It's the instrumental really, but you know, let's play with it. Y'all supposed to be singing a song right now. Let's go. Lottie, lottie, we like the body. We don't cause trouble, we nobody we're just a man that's on the mic. And when we rock up on the mic, we rock the mic. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You remember? Should I put this out like that it is? I'll be forgetting, I swear to God.
There is no competition between all of them.
Oh, it's me. Kenny, how we gonna get all these fucking emails? Damn.
There is no competition.
Y'all get the point, right? Y'all get the point, man. Give that shit a round of applause. Just that one. Forget all the other shit I played. That right there. Yo, so let me tell you something. So let me tell you something. So the last old school jam I had, right? I had we did a roller skating joint, right? And I forgot the DJ's name. I'm gonna kill myself. Damn it. Anyway, DJ came through. He's like the king of the skating joints and shit. So you know, as DJs, y'all always, it don't matter where y'all at, y'all always need to be listening to what other DJs are playing because you never know what they're gonna play. So I was like 2 blocks away, and he played this shit. Anybody heard that ever in their life?
No! Damn it!
I'm gonna give y'all that. Hold on, it didn't even drop yet.
That's smooth right here, dog. Yes, sir.
That's one of the baddest. I don't even know who made it. It just says I like it. That's it. That's all it says on it. Am I lying? It just says I like it. Damn, who's the DJ, man? Nigga from Queens. Oh my God. Damn it. Anyway, when he played this, I all need it. I was on my way to the store. Walked back. I need it. It gets better. Check this shit out. Is this crazy? Yo, straight up. I don't know how we gonna do this. I'm gonna share all this shit, but we not leaving here until we got, there's a lot of emails. I'm a man of my word. This is crazy. I'm just playing for the top. Let's just ride up. Y'all having some, y'all faking the technical difficulties so I can play some more shit, or y'all really having a problem? It's so crazy, man. I gotta find a DJ. Hold on. DJ Arson. When you see DJ Arson, you smack him in the face for playing this shit. See, I ain't scared to share the heat, my nigga. Other niggas be tucking that shit, they don't want to share. You cut something to it over there? You cut something to it? That was nice. Who the fuck is that over there? Yo, get that nigga number. Who the hell is that? Damn, bro. Shit, man. Now I gotta go in my bag. He just tried to, you know. So this is what he want to hear. So check it. How many of y'all fuck with the blends, man? Back in the days, I don't want to hear nobody age.
Yes, sir.
But check this out. This was the essence. I came up in the essence of the DJ and the mixtapes and all that. So our thing was, we had to, whatever your first thing was on that mixtape, it had to be your hottest blend, your hottest intro, whatever it was, because that determined what mixtape was going to take over for the summer. You dig what I'm saying? So this Hip Hop Junkies joint, this is one of my favorites, and this one of his favorites, of course. So, yeah, this is the first time. I already talk facts. This is the first time that it was like a Jacking for Beats kind of blend. You know what I'm saying? And after I dropped this joint, Ron was calling, hey, how the fuck you did that? Because there's so many beats coming back and forth. But I let him know what the technology was. So you know what it is. Here we go.
I got a funky rhyme, wild funky style. You know, funky rhyme, wild funky style. I got a funky rhyme.
Continue your anniversary play. Hurry up. Oh my God. Enjoy. Might as well pull out the Sade joint, right? Fucked up in their head when they heard this shit. I let it rock and just get right into the Sade. What y'all want to do? Let it ride out? Let it ride out? I don't want to be green.
Yo, I got a funky rhyme with a funky style. Funky rhyme with a funky style. Funky rhyme with a funky style. I got a funky rhyme with a funky style. Out of my bed about 8. And then I called Greg Nice cause it wasn't too.
The sound system is nice.
And come around the clock. Cause man, my tip is harder than a rock. He said Ben. So I let Greg Nice call this girl named Anna said. Anna said, the teacher's pet. You sure she's gonna come on this set? He said, Smooth beat, don't you fret. My troop is on its way, yo, quiet as cat.
I'm fucking with this is
Fly kid with dope step. Yeah, coming with a box of hats. Yo, Greg Nice, is that girl all back? He said, Smoothie, the skins is fat. I don't beg cause I'm not epic, no.
It's 92, 93.
So that I won't catch pneumonia. My rhymes are stronger than ammonia. I'm a diamond, you're a cubic, that comes and comes.
Yeah, I this joint.
personal stats. I'm trying to tell you, man, it sounds intense smooth. This one coming out the vault. After my nigga Peach Lover.
One of my favorites.
You know what I mean? This ain't even make no mistake, word. Let's go.
I gotta bring that back, right? I gotta bring that back, right?
Yeah.
I gotta bring that back, right?
Alright, this joint is part of my personal.
So I got something, I held this shit for like 20 years.
It's intense smooth. This one coming out the vault. After my
It's
nigga.
on that USB, man.
You know what I mean? This ain't even make no.
One of my favorites, word up.
Let's go.